Business and community. We believe one cannot exist without the other, that they complement and empower one another. At Maybank, we have never seen the two as separate, which is why we developed Trade and Give, a way to invest with a bigger purpose, where trade meets conscience, where opportunities for all levels of society are created, where with every ringgit traded, we will contribute to underserved communities by providing access to funds, ideas, markets, and more, opening up opportunities for them to flourish and build sustainable businesses that will drive their future and ours. We feel this is how business should be, where you go beyond investing for profit and invest for change. Maybank, humanizing financial services.